It is Tuesday, the 27th day of January 2015, and looking out into the driveway, my handicapped adapted car is a little bit buried, by this snowstorm, which is a very big one. There's about 2 feet of snow on the ground right now. We're close to it. The answer is yes. I am staying indoors, and I'm not going to go out at all, until tomorrow. The temperature outside has not budged much from being around -10, -11 degrees Celsius. So that's pretty cold. And even in this weather, the small winter birds are not going to be out and around in this weather. They'll be hunkering down. Yes, here is the amount of snow at the downstairs door to the den room, which we use as a catch-all temporary storage area for stuff. And oops, I've got a lot of shoveling to do. Yeah, the outdoor thermometer temperature hasn't budged. It really budged in was it 14 hours. Still about -11 degrees Celsius. And the time on the clock on the stove is 12:38 p.m.